Good morning, student. I am Mr. Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. So today it's a second part of this chapter from First Flight textbook, standard 10th, a letter to God. So previously we were discussing about this chapter introduction and its character. We were talking about the Lencho. He was a farmer. He writes a letter to God and asking for the money 100 pesos. Okay. So now let's start the first paragraph of this chapter. So please stay with me, my dear student. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of rip corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So basically, in this paragraph, the scene is set into the crest area. What is the crest? It's a pahadi ilaka, high hills, top of the hills, pahad ki side mein, where Lancho is only the one who is staying in this entire valley. So from that where Lancho is staying, you can see the river. You can see the river easily. You can see the field easily. You can see the rip corn. So what is rip corn, my dear student? पका हुआ मक्कई का खेत. It is known as rip corn. You can see the rip corn very easily over there. So what is the problem? The atmosphere is very good. Everything is good. Only the thing is, what we want is a downpour. Downpour means a little bit of water, of shower. Shower matlab halki si barsat. Why Lancho is saying that towards his field? Lancho is looking at his field and saying that थोड़ी सी बारिश हो जाए तो मेरा जो खेत है वो अच्छा हो जाएगा. So what is crest? Crest is a top of the hill. So got it, my dear student? So moving on towards the next paragraph. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. So now here second character comes in this story. First it was a Lancho who is a farmer. Now here comes second person is his wife. So whose words is this? Whose words is this? Now we are really going to get some water. It's his wife words. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house, until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lancho had predicted. So in these 5 lines, what the woman is doing? Who is that woman? She is Lancho's wife. What she is preparing? She is preparing a supper. Do you know, my dear student, what is supper? Where is it written? Supper, supper. She was preparing a supper. Supper means a dinner, khana banana. She was preparing a supper. So, what time was it? It was an afternoon time. So, all boys were working in the field. Means in that farm, not only Lancho was there, but there means his children were also there, his wife were also there, and the house was connected towards the field, the field. Okay, and then she calls for come for dinner. So it was during the meal time, खाना खाने का टाइम था. सो लेंचो प्रेडिक्टेड, लेंचो को प्रेडिक्टेड मतलब अंदाज़ा लगाना कि नाउ मदर कॉल्ड मीन्स इट वॉज अ मील टाइम. सो दैट वॉज इट फॉर टुडे. कंटिन्यूइंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच.